Okay, I'm making this video to show what my tail is doing. Here's my gyro settings. I got number 1 right mode and the other 2 on heading gyro mode. So let's see what's happening here. Okay, if I put it in right mode, let me see if you guys can see that. It's way out of focus. Sorry, I got to see if I can zoom into this thing. I need to focus this thing. But anyway, hopefully it's focused. It's in rain mode, so when I move the tail, it's centered like it's supposed to be doing. Now when I switch to heading mode, I move to this side and it stays there like it's supposed to be. When I go to this side, it drift back to the center. Maybe that's normal. I've seen some people do that, but this side just stays there. When I go to right, it stays. When I go left, it kind of center itself. Another thing I noticed, if I rotate the gyro counterclockwise, the blades move, as you can see. But when I go back clockwise, it's center, but then it won't go anymore as far as it goes. For some reason, it does not go to the other side. I don't know why. Maybe it's a setup in the gyro. And then when I go back to center, now it's no longer center. I'm expecting to be, every time I go here, it's supposed to be back to center. And it's not. Try it again. Put in heading mode. If I go counterclockwise, go here. The other side, but it won't go past center point. I don't know why. Now I'm back, it's all no longer. So maybe somebody can tell me what is the setup wrong? What is the deal?